everyone, welcome to our new lecture which is based on time and work. Our today's question is Mohan can do a piece of work in 10 days and Sohan in 15 days. They started working together but after 3 days Mohan left the work. What time will Sohan take to finish the work? Let's solve this question line by line. Mohan can do a piece of work in 10 days. Mohan can done a piece of work in 10 days and Sohan can do the same work 15 days. What will be the total work of these two persons? It becomes LCM of these two numbers. The LCM of two numbers will be 30. Then find the efficiency. Efficiency is total work divided by number of days. It becomes the efficiency of Mohan will be 30 divided by 10, which is equivalent 3, and the efficiency of Sohan will be 30 divided by 15, which becomes 2. Now we know the efficiency of Mohan and Sohan, and now they started working together, but after 3 days Mohan left. It means that they are working together for 3 days. The 3-day work of these two persons will be 3 into total efficiency. 3 plus 2 is equivalent to 5. Now work will be 15 units. They complete 15 units of work in 3 days and left the work. Mohan left the work, but Sohan continues the work. What time will Sohan take to finish the work? Remaining work. If total work is 30 and 15 is completed, now remaining work is 15, which has to completed by Sohan. The efficiency of Sohan is 2, means that 15 divided by 2 days will take by Sohan. Option A is correct answer. I hope you guys got this question as well. Now let's move on the next question. Our next question is A, B and C completed the work in 25 days. C can alone complete the work in 50 days. A, B and C worked 20 days together and A and B left. In how many days can C complete the remaining work? Let's solve this question line by line. A plus B plus C can complete a piece of work in 25 days and C alone done this work in 50 days. Let's find out the total work. Total work will be the LCM of these two numbers. The LCM of these two numbers will be 50. And the efficiency, total work divided by days, is equivalent to 2 and efficiency of will be 1. If we know the efficiency of C, we can find the efficiency of A plus B. A plus B plus C is equivalent to, we know A plus B plus C's efficiency is 1 is equivalent to 2. A plus B's efficiency is equivalent to 2 minus 1 is equivalent to 1. Now C alone completes the work in 50 days. A, B and C worked together 20 days, means that they A, B and C all worked 20 days, means that 20 into A plus B plus C's efficiency is equal to 2, means they completed 40 units of work. Remaining work is equal to total work minus the work done. The work is done 40 units. 50 minus 40, remaining work is 10 units. Which can done this work? C can done this. C can complete the remaining work in how many days? What is the efficiency of C? C's efficiency is 1. 10 units divided by 1. It takes 10 days. It takes 10 days. The remaining work will complete in 10 days. The option number A is correct. Now let's move on the next slide. Our next question is A alone can do the work in 15 days. B alone does it in 20 days. They work 6 days together. C can alone finishes the rest in 6 days. The total earning is 800. How should they divide the money? A can completed a work in 15 days. B can completed the work in 20 days. The total work will be the LCM of these two numbers. The LCM of these two numbers is equivalent to 60. Now the efficiency is A's efficiency is 4 and B's efficiency is 3. Now they work together. 4 plus 3 is equivalent to 7. They work together in 6 days. They work 42 units of work. Remaining work remaining work is 18 units, which can done by B. Sorry, this work done by C. C can done remaining 18 units of work. Now total earning is 800. Now we have to find A's work separately, B's work separately, and C's is also we got. A's work is A work is 60 days, 6 days, and efficiency is 4, which will be 24 units. And B can also work 6 days, and the efficiency is 3 and 18 units. And C also complete the remaining 18 units. C's work is 18 units, A's is 24, B's is 18, and 3's is 18. Let's make the ratio of these works. 24 is to 18 is to 18. Let's cancellation these numbers by 3, 3, 8 or 24, 3, 6 are 18, 3, 6 are 18. Now cancellate with 2, 2, 4 are 8, 2, 3 are 6, 2, 3 are 6. The ratio of work is 4 is to 3 is to 3. Now total the wage is 800. Now 4x plus 3x plus 3x is equal to 10x is equivalent to 800. X is equivalent to 80. Now A's share is equivalent to 4 into 80. It becomes 0, 4, 8 or 32. A's share is 320, and B's share is 3 into 80, 0, 2, 4. B's share is 240, and C's share is 3 into 80 is equivalent to 240. Means A's share is 320, B's is 240, and C's is 240 also. It means option A is correct. I hope you got this question as well. Thanks.